Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. I've got very nice special Kamino airdrop style project for you, which honestly speaking, I know there's a lot of this airdrops, all that stuff coming out all the time now, but this would be probably the one I would focus on if you know I didn't have much time, or if you just want to spend a little bit every month or every week, money that you can obviously lose, and put into something like this and see how it goes. Leave it for, you know, the whole year, or keep adding every now and then. That would probably be the one that I would focus on, because it's really cool. And on top of it, obviously we've got the airdrop, the point season #1 just launched, not just, but it was a week ago. But I'm gonna tell you all about it, all the strategies here, the one that I would choose, and the one that I'm gonna put the money in today, and exactly explain how to do it. And please subscribe and like, and ask me any questions that, if anything is unclear, let me know. So first thing, yeah, the points are here. They want to put their token that they're gonna release into the hands of real users. Very simple, and typically the case with airdrops. Do all the stuff here that I will show in a second, and you're gonna earn the points. Then when they're gonna release the token, then obviously going to distribute that token, and hopefully it's gonna go high in valuation, and then you can do whatever you want. You can sell it or you can keep it. That's gonna be amazing. And as you can see, we've got the leaderboard here, so you can later come back here, click here and check it. So what can you do here? You can borrow, lend assets which have some not too high APYs. That's why I would prefer to do the other one I'm gonna do in a second. But you can borrow later as well. You can supply, you can borrow. So there's a lot of things going on here, just a little bit smaller APY. Then you've got liquidity, which I'm going to go for probably one of them, but you can go crazy. I'll maybe go for a crazy one. If you click on the APY here, you've got like huge ones, and you've got Myro that I covered in the video a week ago or a couple days ago, which is quite cool. And I'm going to try deposit a little bit into this one because it looks like very nice. But when you go inside, as you can see, all the informations, your position, analytics, info and risk, very nicely done, similar to Beefy Finance that I covered as well, but obviously with the ability to be on Solana and get those points for the airdrop. Multiply is a similar stuff to the borrow and lend, basically staking, but they will do the job for you. They swap the coins and they multiply it. I'm gonna try it definitely soon, but I'm just gonna first do the other one that is more solid. Not sure, it's not loading here. And then you've got the long and short. I think this one is a bit risky, but basically means that you can literally buy some or deposit some Solana. They're gonna leverage, if you wanna go long or short, they're gonna leverage that a little bit and maybe make some money faster, but obviously with higher risk. And then you've got your portfolio. So let's go ahead and do it. You have to have Phantom wallet. Let me just log in a second. Download for desktop, create wallet, seed phrase. You're gonna have like 12 words, which are very important to save somewhere safe, because that's the only access to your wallet. And once you have it, you can literally here inside the wallet buy Solana. On top here, click on buy Solana. You can buy it from like places like MoonPay. They might ask you some questions or verify, or ask you what do you know about crypto, just to keep you safe. But I did buy from here a couple times, and it was quite fast, quite seamless, and you can literally have the money in your wallet very soon. Or you can buy on MEXC, on the exchange that I mentioned in other videos. But just to make it simple, all you need is some Solana in your wallet. Once you have Solana, very easy. Let's go back to the liquidity. That would be the place that, if you're new to this, just focus on this, practice it, click on how it works. You can deposit assets, then they swap them, auto swap them for you to earn the yield from the exchange. Basically, they make money when people exchange coins and do all the transactions, earn fees and rewards of deploying liquidity into DEXs. DEXs are decentralized exchanges, them here. So some of are here on Orca, some on the Radium. So that's cool that also Kamino is aggregating them and bringing you the best of the best. And let's go inside the one that I mentioned, Myro Sol. So basically I'll provide Sol only. You can provide Sol or Myro. I'll provide Sol, and as you can see, the 7-day DEX decentralized exchange APY was 920%. That's quite huge. Not sure how they get to that kind of crazy amounts. And then on top of it, you've got some Myro rewards, 15,000 almost weekly. So that adds 28%. This will obviously change all the time. So make sure you keep an eye, come back to it, check it once a week, once every couple days. This is a bit safer strategy, but as I said, if you pick very stable coins, very slow moving coins, like very safe ones, obviously the API will be lower. But if you want to go crazy a little bit, you can pick a couple of them, 1 week deposit into one, another into another a little bit. We've got the whole range of analysis here to check it, all the questions answered here if you have any. And let's just go ahead and deposit. So I'm going to be here. You connect the wallet on top as usual, your Phantom, and you should already have some Solana. As you can see, I've got like 0.2. Let me just deposit half of it. Let's just do 0.5 because it won't let you if your remaining balance after transaction will be less than 0.15 Sol. Not sure why they have that, but obviously you have to leave something for the fees. Always have a little bit, but the fees are extremely cheap on Solana, so not sure why they have 0.15 as the threshold. And that's it. Let's deposit. Confirm that you understand the risk. Please do understand, don't deposit big amounts straight away. Deposit a little bit, then add some more, play with it, learn it. And I'm just definitely going to focus on Kamino because it's really good. Some deposit failure, but let's try again. Okay, I moved to another one which is actually much safer, and obviously the APY is much lower, but not sure what the problem was there on the other. Some error, maybe just temporary, maybe some problem with that liquidity pool. But I moved to USDT Sol, which is obviously much safer because Solana and dollar. So let's deposit on this one. 90% is still decent, so let's see how that goes. So as you can see here in my position you have deposited the money. The ratio between those two coins that I just deposited, I deposited Sol, but it splits them and provides that liquidity for people to trade it basically between those two coins. And then there will be probably some more data here. So if we go back now to, let's say, portfolio, we can see now we've got one position, so you can have a nice overview of what's going on, how much money you have, how much money you made, hopefully all the history, rewards, and build up to that points for airdrop, which is pretty cool. And I'm definitely going to keep adding here, keep growing, and keep utilizing that APY, which is quite nice.